are you?
Hello, can you hear me, baby?
Yes, I can hear you.
I can hear you too. Yes, good evening, baby. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So hold on, baby. Let me pull out the. So, a while ago, I thought I am very confused on the IDs. Okay. Okay, let me.
Okay.
So we are on.
Lesson Unit 7.
Yay! Very good,
Is that
baby.
right?
Yes, Unit 7. So we are going to have Unit 8 today. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes,
How's
I'm alright. Your internet.
baby? How's the internet? How's the
Your internet.
baby? Because it's raining hard tonight. I cannot. It's raining hard here right now. How's the weather in Vietnam right now?
Uh, um, in Vietnam it's not raining.
Here it's raining badly.
In Vietnam it's sunny, not rainy.
Okay, you.
Vietnam is sunny.
Okay, let me
Okay.
it. Hold on. Okay, can you guess what is the title of our, what is our topic for tonight?
Tonight, my dinner.
What?
My dinner. That's right. Uh, I know it. Rice. Rice. Rice this is củ cải chai. My rice. Uh, rice, fish, vegetable,
Wow.
and potato.
Wow, potato. Okay, I will share my screen and let can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. Yes, I
Okay.
can hear you.
Oh, what? If you can hear the sound, we are going to dance, okay?
Okay.
Okay, maybe. Can you read what is the title of our lesson for today?
It's in Unit 7.
Maybe we're done in Unit 7 already.
Okay, the hotel and cold places.
The hottest and coldest,
Hotel, coldest
coldest
place.
places. So, baby, can you tell me what in your area? Is it hot or cold?
Me
Yes, in
in
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yes.
In Vietnam is hot.
Here also, but right now it's raining hard, so it's very cold. But it's raining
I'm
like
not
that.
cold.
Okay.
But I'm not cold.
So what do you like? Hottest or coldest weather?
I like hot because I'm swimming.
Yeah, you mentioned that to me before. Let's go, let's go. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, find sentence pairs about different kinds of weather. Okay.
I am white and make leaf fall from trees. I can chant this. I think for G to wet. You only see me when the sun's behind you. I come from gray clouds. I come out when you go to bed. Look careful. What? Look. Next. Look, what next?
Carefully.
What?
Look carefully to see my 7 colors.
Carefully to see my
Seven.
7 colors. When you see me, you can see stars too. You want me when you go sailing. I only fall on really, really cold day. I am hot, big brown. No, you can't see me at night.
Yay! Okay, what do you think is the pair of I'm white?
I'm white.
So let's find out.
Okay.
What do you think?
Think
Ah, no. Okay, can you read the pair? I'm white.
I'm white. I only fall on really, really cold day.
How about I make the leaves fall from trees?
Ah, look careful. You see my 7 colors.
No, it's a rainbow.
Rainbow. Hmm. 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 I did know.
Ah.
Win.
Okay,
You want me when you sailing.
You want me when you go sailing. Next, it's a wind. Next, baby.
I can turn things from dry to wet. I come from gray cloud. Rain.
Next.
And next, you always see me when you stand behind you. Wait. Ah, I see it.
I told
A
you.
rainbow.
Rainbow.
Look at careful to see my 7 cars. Moon. The moon.
Okay, how about the moon? Can you read the moon, baby?
When they see me, you can start too. And I am big and brown. No, you can't see me at night.
Yes.
You step back, cup, a sun.
I'm hot.
I am hot, big round. No, you can't see me at night.
Yay. Listen and say, write and say. Is it right to fly a kite at night? What
can you?
Okay, read it.
What can we do outside in windy weather?
What do we do outside?
Oh, I am flying a kite.
Yes. Do you fly kites sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay. Draw a kite in your notebooks now. Okay, go draw a kite in your notebooks.
Oh,
Or
okay.
a paper.
Wait me.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will draw too. I will draw.
Are you draw?
I will draw too.
Okay.
On, teacher is doing it also. No.
You draw fun. Oh.
Are you done?
Not. You wait me 1 minute and I am done.
I'm not yet done, baby, because I'm drawing it too. I am coloring it.
You draw me too? I'm done.
Me, hold on. Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
I'm almost done, baby.
You draw is funny.
Nice. Again, it's still funny. Okay, can you show me your drawing?
Yeah, bye.
Again, see? Wow, nice.
You see?
It's color yellow. It's very nice.
What color is your kite?
Pink and green. Nice. Okay.
Your kite is small.
Okay. Repeat the whole text. I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in the day. Can you read it, baby?
I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in the day. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right.
Yay! So we don't have to use. We don't have to fly kites at night. It's dangerous.
Do you have balloons?
Pronunciation.
Do you have balloons?
Balloons, baby. I have balloons.
Do you have? I have.
Can
Here.
I see?
This is my balloon.
Wow, nice. Okay. Okay, how do you spell them? Right, kite, night, right. Can you read it?
Okay. W L I T E T I T E N I G H T L I G H
Can you read them all, baby?
White cat, night, right.
Right, very good. Okay, next. Their endings are all pronounced "ite." These words look different, but they all sound the same at the end.
Okay.
Can you read it?
The ending are what next are
all pronounced "ite."
Eyebrow cloud. These words look different, but they all sound the same at the end.
Okay, take note.
An apple is cold than chips.
Apple is colder than chips.
But an ice cream is colder than an apple.
Yes.
Ice cream is coldest. S.
Subject. S is subject plus to be. This
To
is
be.
the structure, baby. The adjective is noun pronoun. Ice cream is the coldest. Sun is the hottest. Okay?
In Vietnam is S.
Okay. Sunny, sunnier,
Sunnier.
sunniest.
We replace I with I before we add S for what next to?
We replace Y. Baby, look at this. We replace Y with I.
Sunny,
Add
I,
ER or ES. T.
I. Okay.
If we want to compare or compare, if we want to make it comparative sentence, we're going to use IER. Prettier, okay? But if we want to make it superlative, we're going to change it into IEST, okay? Sunniest, prettiest, coldest, okay?
It's 20th. You know 20th.
Okay, next.
The coldest.
Complete sentences with the words from the box. The coldest place
is the word. What next is
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Do you know where is Antarctica, baby?
Huh?
Antarctica.
I don't know Antarctica. Your city?
It's another country, baby.
Country. Okay.
Okay.
Raining.
The
windy. Windbreath.
wettest, baby.
Wettest. Town in the island is rained a lot. Average is the sunniest part of the world.
Hottest, baby.
Hottest. Windiest.
The windiest place.
What next place is what next place is
the windiest place is Antarctica too. The wind there is really strong.
What next?
Arizona.
Arizona. Always dry and sunny. It's the driest place in the what next?
Yes, USA. Baby, one more try. The coldest place in the world is Antarctica.
Okay. The cold place in the world on Antarctica. The wettest town in that is rain a lot. Average is the hottest place of the world. The windiest place on Antarctica too. The wind there is really strong. In afternoon is white, bright, and sunny. Is a rest place. The West Day.
Place USA. Okay.
What? Take not? Okay.
Okay. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult.
To take not.
Can you read it, baby?
We don't out EF add a long word, we say more or the most.
This is comparative again and superlative. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. So we use more difficult, not difficulter. We add more. We don't add est to long words. We say more or the most. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you read it, baby?
As come to be the most. What is the most? Hey,
Now,
what next?
adjective or not?
Adjective, not
Pronoun.
process. For example, she's the most beautiful girl in the class. Is the most beautiful picture in the book.
Okay.
Just word to complete the weather sentence. Yesterday I was sad, but today I am fun.
Look at the choices, baby.
This was
today I am.
Today.
Baby, can you read? Look at the choices in the weather. Look, baby. It is windy today. It was cloudy yesterday.
It is windy today. It is cloudy yesterday.
It was, baby. It was. When you say yesterday, it's already in the past because it happened already.
Okay. It was cloudy yesterday. It is sunny today. I was hot yesterday. It is cold today.
It is raining.
It is raining today. It is no. It is snowing.
It rained
today.
Yesterday.
It is raining today. It is snowing today. It rained yesterday. It
rained, baby. It rained.
Rained today. Yesterday. It snowed yesterday. Okay?
Okay. Very good. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Animals in cold parts of the world.
Okay. We don't see any animals in the cold part of a world, but polar bear, which are white, live in really cold place. Brown bear sleep when the weather is very, very cold. They don't wake up or eat any more food. Yeah. When the weather starts getting cold, some birds fly to hotter countries, but what next?
But penguins
are very happy in the snow. Rabbits are very
snowshoe rabbits.
Snowshoe rabbits are really what?
Clever.
Why? When the weather is cold and there's snow on the ground, those animals fall change from brown to white. These I love very.
Okay, let me read it, baby. We don't see many animals in the coldest parts of the world, but polar bears, which are white, live in really cold places. Brown bears sleep when the weather is very cold. They don't wake up or eat any food. When the weather starts getting cold, some birds fly to hotter countries. But penguins are very happy in the snow. Snowshoe rabbits are really clever. When the weather is very cold and there's snow on the ground, these animals' fur changes from brown to white. Again, baby.
Again?
Again, we're practicing the pronunciation.
Okay. We don't see animals in the cold parts of the world, but polar bears, which are white, live in really cold place. Brown bears live when the weather is very cold. They don't wake up or eat any food. When the weather stops getting cold, some birds fly to hotter countries, but parrots are very happy in the snow. Snowshoes rabbits are really clever. When the weather's very cold and there's snow on the ground, this animal will change from brown to white.
Yahoo! Which are the tallest, strongest, and cleverest animals? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, can you read first?
Tall, strong, clever, fast, funny, hungry, nice, frightened, what? Nice, what?
Frightening, beautiful.
Frightening, beautiful.
Tall,
strong, clever, and quiet, but the in front of the word put S on the end of the word. Funny and hungry, but the throat of the word take away the I and put I then add S to for word. Nice, but the in front of the word only put at the end of the word because it is always there. The tall, the strong,
the tallest, the strongest,
the cleverest, the quietest, the funniest, the hungriest, the
nicest,
the most
frightening,
the most beautiful.
Yay!
Giraffe is tall.
Which are the tallest? Giraffe. Strongest.
Giraffe is tall.
Yes, giraffe is the tallest.
And stronger? The bird.
Okay, can you read it, baby?
I'm tired. The tallest, the strong, the cleverest, the quietest, the funniest, the hungriest, the nice, the most frightened,
and the most beautiful.
Okay.
Which animal is the tallest in the world?
It's giraffe. Giraffe.
Yes. Decide which animal you think is described by the other words. You can choose an animal from the pictures or any other animal that make use of the answer. Okay. Which things are hot? Can you think of a thing which is hot?
Sunny. It's sunny.
Sun. Okay, can you read it?
Tea, my face, dark coffee, what? Vegetable soup, the sun, or snow water in the bath.
Water in my bath.
Why funny? The water in my bath is hot, but that coffee is hotter than the water in my bath, and the sun is hottest.
Hottest. Baby, this is what I'm telling you. We are comparing. The water in my bath is hot, but my dad's coffee is hotter than the water in my bath. And the sun is the hottest. Okay.
Okay. And the sun is hotter.
White, black, white, small, quick.
Black, black is.
Which of the, choose one of the adjectives. Think of 3 things which you can describe. Okay, quiet. Can you think of a
Quiet.
thing?
Quiet.
Quiet. What thing is quiet?
Quiet?
Yes.
Quiet. Quiet.
Or black. What thing is black?
Hottest. Is hottest. Hottest.
Black is, my hair is black.
Okay, my hair is black too.
Okay, can you think of a thing which is black?
Black? Black hair, black table,
Yes.
black iPhone,
Wow, small baby, small.
more.
Yes.
Black pencil.
Okay. Quick, quick, small, quick.
Very small.
Yes.
Small. I didn't know.
Okay, it's okay, baby.
What home girl? What the bear do you very close? Where do some birds fly to when the weather gets cold? Do penguins enjoy living cold countries? Why do snow shoes rabbit jump from brown to white when there's snow on the ground?
This is your assignment, baby.
Okay. What song today?
Is this one, baby? Hold on.
Song today is
bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay. Now let me have the other.
today. Payphone. Payphone.
I've got a payphone.
You know this song?
Yes.
I got a photo, it's so photo, Tracy face to the two, yeah. Payphone. I love this song.
Hold on, baby.
Very. Do you know On My Up? On my out. You know On My Out?
So, hold on, baby. Hold on. Payphone. I know the payphone. I got a payphone.
Do you know On My Own? Do you know On My Own?
No.
2 songs.
Yes.
On My Own.
Who sang it? Who sang it?
You up and you on and you know. I love On My Own.
Okay, hold on, baby.
There's gotta be another way out. I've been stuck in a cage with my doubt. I'm trying for getting out of my own. Every time I do this my way, I get all in the I lay my clothes down. I'm ready for you now. Bring me out. Come and find me in the dark now. Every day by myself, I'm breaking down. I don't wanna fight anymore. Bring me out from the prison of my own pride. Now that I need a hope I can't deny. In the end, I'm realizing I was never meant to fight on my own. Every little thing that I've known is everything I need to let go. You're so much bigger than the world I have made. So I surrender my soul. I'm reaching out for your hope. I lay my weapons down. I'm ready for you now. Bring me out. Come and find me in the dark now. Every day by myself, I'm breaking down. I don't wanna fight alone anymore. Bring me out from the prison of my own pride. My God, I need a hope I can't deny. In the end, I'm realizing I was never meant to fight on my own. I don't wanna be incomplete. I remember what you said to me. I don't have to fight alone. Bring me out. Come and find me in the dark now. Every day by myself, I'm breaking down. I don't wanna fight alone anymore. Bring me out from the prison of my own pride. My God, I need a hope I can't deny. In the end, I'm realizing I was never meant to fight on my own.
Payphone, baby.
Payphone?
Maroon 5.
No, it's on Payphone. What the is next? Okay.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? shit. I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stunting. And all of my cars are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you can tell it I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could've saw, but sad to say it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wished I go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you. I'm at a game, I'm trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all these fairy tales are full of shit. Yeah, I'm a fucking love song.
Okay, baby. The
And
Counting
counting.
Stars, baby. Let's play it on Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
See you on Wednesday, darling.
Okay. Bye.
Good night. Simon says good night.
Okay. Good night, Calvington.
Bye.
Bye. Oh.